This is a real case history of a real copy strategy in use. It's a good copy strategy. It's short, clear, competitive, and focused. It fits nicely into our template. It did indeed build the value of a brand for its owner, and the brand was sold for a large sum of money within 6 years of its birth. In late 1980s Spain, a medium-sized company called Quimicamp was marketing a specialist liquid cleaning product for use on tiled floors. Branded Xanpa with an X, a name which has no more significance in Spanish than it does in English, unadvertised and unpromoted, its share of the Spanish liquid cleaner market was too small for AC Nielsen to measure. In 1989, the brand was to the hands of marketers who saw its potential. As for any brand, new or old, before the Xanpa copy strategy comes a communication strategy. It targeted all housewives. Every home has a floor to clean, and every home has a housewife, whatever their specific gender label. Xanpa was to be positioned to consumers. This is known in some classrooms as a pull strategy, as the floor cleaning specialist brand. So, to the copy strategy. Just to remind ourselves of our template, Brand X copy will convince customers, Y, that Brand X offers unique functional and/or emotional benefits, Z, and will thereby satisfy their needs better than any competitor. And the requisites? A good copy strategy is clear, brief, overtly competitive, and focused. For Xanpa, we wrote a copy strategy as follows. Xanpa copy will convince all housewives that Xanpa offers the benefit of especially clean floors, because Xanpa is the only brand of liquid cleaner designed for floor cleaning. Xanpa will thereby satisfy their floor cleaning needs better than any competitor. This copy strategy was short, clear, competitive, and focused. It fitted nicely into our template. A good copy strategy helps creatives to write effective copy and develop an effective ad. This one, incidentally, won a prize in the San Sebastian TV commercial festival. But prizes don't make money for a brand and certainly don't promote loyalty. Xanpa's advertising, however, did both. Consumers saw the ad, went to their stores, bought Xanpa, paid a premium price for it, and the brand was on its way to making a lot of money for its owner. Some 6 years later, the Xanpa brand, now #2 liquid cleaner in Spain with sales in excess of €5 million a year, was sold by its owner to Colgate-Palmolive for an undisclosed sum, estimated well in excess of €3 million. Its copy strategy remained unchanged. Of course, an effective copy strategy does not create loyalty on its own. Product itself has a critical part to play, but if the copy doesn't draw attention to the brand's advantages, its uniqueness, the brand will fail. Nothing plays a greater part in building brand value than good, effective communication derived from a good, effective copy strategy. We'll look at another winning copy strategy in the next class. Please join us.